Yorùbá nation ó gbọ́dọ̀ dúró ni tó pé kí ni tẹ́ fìyà jẹ wá ṣe kí ni ó pọ̀ lápọ̀jù àdẹ kékeré dẹ̀ lè rí tọ́ máa ṣí yìí sísìn fíìmù ni ètò ẹ̀rọ adí kékeré pé bóyá ń bá yẹn jà sísìn fíìmù ni táwọn bá wò pé àwọn lè ti olóyè Sunday Igboho mọ́ house arrest àwọn èèyàn náà ti wá dìde báyìí kèsì èèyàn kan kèsì èèyàn méjì.
All right, my people, welcome back onto this channel. Thanks so much for subscribing to this channel. Well, my people, this is another one reaching us. Well, before now, we've heard that we have about 10,000 of Sunday Igboho. You understand what that means? That Sunday Igboho is so strong, but there are so many Igbohos out there that are strong, but then they were not planning to come out. They were not set to come out. But this time around, this set of warriors are now out. And in fact, with what they are even trying to tell us right now is that since Chief Sunday Igboho is in Benin Republic, the federal government had made him to remain there. No problem. Now, with the news reaching us, it had been gathered that the youth, the Yoruba warriors, are now ready to stand in for Chief Sunday Igboho, pending when Chief Sunday Igboho will come to Nigeria. That this time around, though, they are no longer ready to allow all these killer S-men to dominate Yoruba land. That they have woken up because they have seen it that Chief Sunday Igboho is not in Nigeria, so they are misbehaving, jumping from one corner to the other, kidnapping people, taking ransom. At the end of it all, the worst scenario is after collecting that ransom, they will still kill these people. It's too bad. Meanwhile, some Yoruba youth, the warriors, are now set to fight for their loved ones. They have said that we cannot open our eyes, we cannot remain like that and be waiting that until Chief Sunday Igboho comes in. That the set of people on ground right now are not joking at all. And this set of people have said it that enough is enough. To the extent wherever they go to, the Nigerian soldiers will be disturbing and a lot of things. To the extent they will be, anywhere they see Yoruba Nation agitators wearing Yoruba Nation uniform, the next thing they will attack them, remove their clothes, and they even kidnap some of them. Where we already heard what happened in Agege some weeks back, and then even in Ogun State, where some men in army uniform, in soldier uniform. Well, to us here, we don't call them Nigerian soldiers. We call them the Fulani Soldiers. Where the Fulani Soldiers stormed the meeting of these Yoruba Nation agitators and they whisked away one of them. So till now, only God knows where that person is. We have not heard anything about that. And then right now, the warriors have now made up their minds that this time around, though, there's no more room for mediocrity. We will not allow what happened some weeks ago to repeat itself. Either Chief Sunday Igboho is around or not, about 1,000 of Igboho is now available. I know a lot of people be like, we've heard all this before. Are you sure these people have made up their minds? Well, the truth of the matter is this set of people, with the way they are, they have been talking about this right now, you will understand that it's no longer a joke. And the truth of the matter is some of our warriors have started doing a lot of jobs, most especially the hunters, the Yoruba hunters right now. They are not scared, and then they have been doing exploits. And I think we need a lot of encouragement for these people. They need a lot of encouragement because right now, the Yoruba movement, nation movement, the way it is right now, it's only God that will help us on this movement. Where some of the leaders are not even doing the right thing to an extent, but we know that God is in control. Yes, earlier some agitators have given them about 7 days ultimatum to come together, in love so that this Yoruba Nation movement will be actualized. And then I think it's one of the reasons that made the warriors to now come out in their numbers that let Chief Sunday Igboho remain where he is. We are going to stand in for him till he returns to Nigeria. We cannot open our eyes and then allow our people to be dealt with and killed on a daily basis. Look at what is happening right now. Farmers can no longer go to their farms to the extent, according to what they narrated, that some of the farmers will go to the farms. The next thing, coming back, you will discover that they have killed some of them, which is very wrong. To the extent they will even still go to their houses, sleep with their wives, and they do all sorts of atrocities. The government had done nothing about that. And that's one thing I always talk about, the fact that the people who are saddled with the responsibility are even the one making it worse. So what exactly are we talking about? Now, somebody is saying that it's long overdue. This warriors should have come out a long time ago. That is getting worse by the day. But meanwhile, it is a good step they have tried to embark on. But one fact I understand is there need to be a lot of cooperation. Yes, I think the people need to cooperate this time around, because without cooperation, I'm not sure this can work out. Though they said a lot of things which I'm not going to disclose on this channel, because so that it won't sound as if I am leaking the secret, exposing the people. But the truth of the matter is, there is God in this movement. The people are ready. God is with them. God is with them, because right now, we can no longer say we want to, we want to relax and be waiting for some set of people. Yes, only Chief Sunday Igboho cannot do it. It needs the cooperation of all. And then I think this set of warriors have made up their minds, and then they are not joking. And we pray that good Lord will continue to support them in everything they lay their hands on. The people are hungry that they are killing the Yorubas on a daily basis, but the only thing they could think of is 2023 election. Is that what we are going to be waiting for? Is it that until they finish killing everybody that they will now come out to say, oh, we want to help you people? That is to tell you that there's nothing like one Nigeria. Everybody's fighting for his or our own pocket. If you are still out there, you are still believing in one Nigeria, my brother, my sister, you need to have a rethink. Yes, you need to have a rethink. Maybe simply because of the peanuts you are getting, then you believe, oh, nothing is happening. My brother, my sister, a time will come, you will regret everything. All those money you have collected, all the food you ate, with that money you will vomit. In fact, right now, the people have woken up, and they have said that no more room for mediocrity. We will not allow what happened in the past to repeat itself. Now, the warriors have made up their minds that they are going to stand in for Chief Sunday Igboho, pending when Chief Sunday Igboho will come to Nigeria. Yoruba Nation, no going back, and exactly what it is. I think it's a very good one. What more can we say? Meanwhile, let me have your own take on this, my people, and remember to subscribe for more updates if you are new on this channel. All right, thanks and God bless.